Package 1, okay?
10, 5, 1.
5, 7, okay?
Pick 1,
1, okay?
10, 5, 3.
7, 3, okay?
Pick 1,
1, okay?
14, 3, 5.
6, 8, okay?
Pick 1,
1, okay?
10, 5, 4.
7, 2, okay?
Pick 1.
Cooper Booth Wholesale Company in Mountville, Pennsylvania is a full-line distributor. They deliver to convenience store chains, independent operators, grocery stores, tobacco outlets, and universities in 7 states as well as DC.
81360, okay?
They replace their RF scanner system with TopVox's voice pick system.
62, 4, 1.
5, 2, okay?
Pick 1.
We were having system issues. We were getting kicked off with the scanners. And so when we started this whole process, we had to take into account all of those things.
2, okay?
And TopVox allowed us to fix our issues, whether it be with hardware or system problems.
When it was first introduced, it was a little daunting. We've done this before where we implemented a scanning software package when I first started, and the fear of doing that again was immense, but it was seamless. This time it was so much easier to implement the software. It was great.
All the equipment you need for the TopVox units are Lydia, which is a TopVox unit. A battery gets inserted in there that gets recharged nightly. You have the scanning unit to scan barcodes, batches, and anything else. And all this is tied into the headset that the picker selects into nightly and repeats check digits.
3, 6, okay? 1, okay?
14, 5, 1.
TopVox's Lydia gives the picker a location. When the picker responds with a check digit,
4, 9, okay?
the number by the product, Lydia then gives the picker a quantity.
1.
1, okay?
You say check digit 43, pick 30. You grab 30, you throw it on the track, it says order complete, and then you go to the next order. Before we had to use the scanner, scan this, look and see it's 30, and then hit enter, and then you had to hit another button before they even picked the product. You eliminated 5 steps with the scanners. Now it's 1 step and you're gone. We're always looking to make the business better.
With TopVox, both hands are free. If you're reaching in for 4 or 5 of something, you're able to reach in the pick slot with both hands, come out, put it in the tote, move to the next item.
1, okay?
Cooper Booth is a very cautious company when it comes to making investments. We always try to get our payback in 16 months. This we actually made in a little less than a year, so good choice. We did comparisons with other voice pick systems. We broke everything down to the amount of time it takes to pick. Also, Lydia, the voice independent speech, was much easier to understand than other voice pick systems.
2, 8.
At my previous employer, I used another voice pick unit, and it was not even comparable to this one. You had to create your own voice template. If you didn't say it how you said it on your template, it didn't pick it up, and you couldn't pick.
I can literally train a new employee in 15 minutes. We have employees up to our company productivity standards within 1 to 2 weeks, which normally before it used to take us 2 to 3 months. So it's cut down my supervisor's time in training, follow-up, and error ratios.
TopVox's Copilot is a tool which enables supervisors to adjust the Lydia system for each individual worker.
What this enables us to do is listen to the dialogue. If a picker is having trouble understanding Lydia, we can up the volume on it or we can lower it if there's a lot of background noise.
The TopVox Process Monitor provides real-time information and order history in a compact and user-friendly interface.
Supervisors love this system. It's simple, it's easy. You go to one screen, you don't have to do anything else.
With TopVox, they actually came out and looked, what do you do here as a company? How can we make this work for you? And when we did go live, we were back running the very next day. We do rely on working with our vendors to get things right the first time, and TopVox was able to do that.
The integration with our warehouse management system was seamless.
We were able to say this is what we want to have happen, this is the data that we want, whereas other companies say this is the data that we have to have. TopVox said, we can do that for you. And they set it up for us. So it made it a lot easier on our end. We didn't have to make as many code changes to accommodate that.
It came down to the pickers themselves liking the unit.
It works really well.
The top box is making my job a lot easier. It's quicker, it's more accurate, and more efficient.
It makes it a lot easier. It makes it a lot faster for us.
I do. I love it. It's a lot easier. You go a lot faster.
She is tops. I mean, there's nothing better.
When we made the choice to go with top box, we made a fabulous choice.